Here in our front left garage is our BX14 from Laguna. It is equipped with a 3 horsepower motor, and this is where we do all of our curve cutting. As you can see, we removed the fence so that way we could be able to have a larger area to curve cut without the fence interfering with the wood. And next to the Laguna BX14 is our Harvey HW615. This is also equipped with a 3 horsepower motor, and it also has a golden titanium nitro coating to help with the rust prevention. And with this bandsaw, this is where we do all of our resawing. So over here we have our Shawfox W1860 jointer. It is an 8-inch parallelogram jointer. It has a 76-inch bed. It has 40 inches in feed and 36 inches out feed. It is equipped with a helical head, and it has 36 indexable carbide. Above our jointer is our wood rack. Here's where we store all of our rough lumber prior to using it. For dust collection, we have our Harvey G700 dust processor. This is where we have our table saw, drum sander, router table, planer, jointer, and both bandsaw connected to. Next to the G700 is our Shawfox W1848 oscillating drill press. We do not use the oscillating feature. We use it mostly for drill pressing, as we have a spindle sander next to the drill press. And for dust collection, we have our spindle sander hooked up to our Dust Deputy from Oneida and our Rigid vacuum. Here in the center of our garage is our 3 horsepower professional cabinet table saw from SawStop. We opted for the 52-inch T-Glide for more workspace. We also included the overarm dust collection, and we also included the sliding cross-cut table. Next to the table saw is our Supermax 1938 drum sander. It is equipped with a 1 3/4 horsepower motor, and it also includes the feature of the IntelliSand, which is a great feature. Next to the drum sander is our DeWalt 12-inch planer. This is a great planer other than it being very loud. Behind our planer is the Grizzly router table. It has a cast iron table, and it also includes the Grizzly lift system. On the other side of the garage is where we have our Next Wave Shark HD 520 CNC. It is equipped with a 2 horsepower water-cooled spindle. It has a 28-inch by 63-inch bed. For dust collection, below we have the Festool dust separator and also the Festool dust extractor. We also have the DeWalt air compressor, and behind the compressor is our bucket for the water-cooled spindle. Behind the CNC is our sanding station. We are using the Festool EC150 sander, and it is also connected to the Festool dust extractor. Above the sanding station is our shelf where we store our routers, our glues, our finishing oil, and a couple more items including hand planes. Next to the sanding station is our Festool Capex 120. This is where we cut our rough lumber to size, and it also has a great feature of the laser, which will pinpoint the cut. For dust collection, we have the miter saw hooked up to the Festool dust separator and the Festool dust extractor. Below the miter saw and the sanding station is where we store more wood. You can never have too much wood. Here we have 4 Husky tables, and this is where we do all of our glue up and assembly. So there you have it, a quick tour of our wood shop in our garage. Hope you loved the video, and leave us a comment if you have any questions, and always remember, wood is nature and nature is beautiful.